Hey, today we're using Hypnotic Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax on the upper lip. And the wax is purple. It'll be hard to see the hairs, but I'll try my best to turn the strips to the side. I also wanted to remind everyone, don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram at Waxing Queen Adventures, just in case if we have to part ways on this app, if things don't go the way that we want them to, then you guys will know where to find me, and the turn up can just continue over there on IG. Not to mention, guys, I do lots of giveaways, so I don't want you guys to miss my giveaways on Instagram. So make sure you go and follow me. As you can see, this wax has an amazing dry time. Goes on smooth. Like, look at that. Can y'all see that? I know you can see it. I try my best, okay? I try my best. The wax itself is on sale. There's other colors on there that are pretty and fascinating as well. I also like the tickled pink that I like to use, so make sure you go and check it out. I'm doing cleanups going in the opposite directions, making sure that I'm tapping in the corner of the lips. That's where most of the hair usually hides. Those corners, they're so aggy. Let me see if I can show you this little corner right here. Can you see it? I know y'all can see it. Anyways, don't forget to go to Instagram and follow your girl, and always use aftercare no matter where you're waxing. Bye.